Welcome students. Let's begin the topic and understand all the concepts of this topic. Let's enjoy. Try to understand, and if not, then please replay the video again and again till you understand completely. So what is a conjunction? Conjunction is also known as conjunctive adverb. So don't get confused. Conjunction is also known as conjunctive adverbs, which is used for one purpose only, that means joining two clauses. Examples: these are the words that we are using for joining the two clauses, that means and, but, or, for, nor, so, yet, because, if, whether, least, unless, as, since, how, when, where, while, why, till, until, after, before, however, as soon as, though, and then. And there are lots of many conjunctions. Examples: one word to another word, that means it is used for joining one word to another word, like Ravi and Roshan. So one word is joining to another word, that means Ravi is joined with Roshan, and then we make a sentence: Ravi and Roshan are two brothers. Rima and you have done this work. You should observe this underlined highlighted one, how it can join to noun or noun to pronoun or adverb to adverb or sentence to sentence, clauses to clauses. So third statement: a cat moves slowly and silently. So here slowly and silently both are adverb and it is connected with the conjunction and. Another example: one word to another clause. He is so weak that he cannot walk. One clause, one word to another clause. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Such was her beauty that everybody loved her. Such was her beauty that everybody loved her. Another example: one sentence to another sentence. I trust him because he is honest. I wish to know whether he will come or not. So different types of conjunctions we have to understand. There are three mainly: coordinate conjunction, subordinate conjunction. These two are very common with all of us, and third one in a higher study we have to do, but right now you can understand the concept, and if you want to apply, you can apply it. Correlative conjunction. Coordinate conjunctions. What are these coordinate conjunctions? Coordinate conjunctions such as and, but, or, nor, for, so, or yet. These highlighted in the yellow colored are comes under coordinate conjunctions, are used to join individual words, phrases, and independent clauses. Examples: she stood first and got a prize. Second example: you must read or you may fail in the examination. So all of us, we should always revise. Second, subordinate conjunction. Subordinate clause such as, that means subordinate conjunction can be called subordinate clause also. Subordinate conjunction or clause such as since, because, although, as, until, etc. are used to join an independent clause to a dependent clause. One is independent clause. By itself it is a complete statement, and another is a dependent clause which needs the support of the main clause. The subordinate conjunctions are used before the dependent clauses. Dependent clause can be placed before or after the independent clauses. Examples: He never gives up until he wins. Despite calling several times, she never received a reply. Understood? Let us proceed further. Third, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions. That means these are the pairs of conjunctions. They can't be used single, but wherever they are applied, it should be applied in pairs, used in the sentence to link words, phrases, clauses. Correlative conjunctions connect two words or phrases or clauses. Those have the similar structure and are grammatically similar. That means nouns are linked to nouns, adjectives are linked to adjectives, prepositional phrases linked to prepositional phrases. Examples of these correlative conjunctions are both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, so that, such that, no sooner than, hardly when, scarcely when, else then, else but. These are only few examples. There are lot of many. If you open your any grammar reference book at home, you will get it, this type of examples, many written in your book. So kindly see to it also. Correlative conjunctions. Examples in a sentence I have highlighted here. He is both handsome and clever. I hope you understood how to apply in a sentences. Hardly had I left the room when it began to rain. See how I have used both correlative conjunctions in a sentences. She has none else but her mother. She is either a beggar or a thief. See here how I have applied both the correlative conjunctions. Thank you. This is all for today.